Welcome back to Fact Frenzy. Today we will discuss about the Great Wall of China. It is a series of fortifications that were built across the historical northern borders of ancient Chinese states and imperial China as protection against various nomadic groups from the Eurasian steppe. Several walls were built from as early as possible the 7th century BC, with the selective stretches later joined by Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor of China. Little of the Qin wall remains. Later on, many successive dynasties built and maintained multiple stretches of border walls. The best known section of the wall were built by Ming dynasty. Apart from defense, other purposes of the Great Wall have included border controls, allowing the imposition of duties on goods transported along the Silk Road, regulation or encouragement of trade, and the control of immigration and emigration. Before the use of bricks, the Great Wall was mainly built from rammed earth, stones, and wood. During the Ming, bricks were heavily used in many areas of the wall, as were materials such as tiles, lime, and stone. The size and the weight of the brick make them easier to work with than earth and stone, so construction quickened. While portions of north of Beijing and near tourist centers have been preserved and even extensively renovated in many other locations, the wall is in disrepair. The wall sometimes provided a source of stones to build houses and roads. Wooden gates could be used as a trap against those going through. Barracks, stables, armories were built near the wall inner surface. Communication between the army units along the length of the Great Wall, including the ability to call reinforcement and warn garrison of enemy movement. That's all about it. Like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel.